What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ron. Behind me here is my best bud Gunner. Welcome to our channel. What I wanted to talk about real quick, if you've seen my last video, no doubt you noticed that I had to do a little bit of magic to get some of the footage to be even remotely usable. And it really wasn't usable, but I still used it. So in any case, to try and prevent that in the future, I've done a few things with my stuff. So I've been sitting here with Gunner and I've been going along, and here, I'll flip around. So as you notice, I've put little paint marks on my stuff. So there and here for this camera, and then on my, hey buddy, how you doing? Yeah, kind of mildly annoyed? I hear you. So, and on this camera also, I did that, and then underneath to kind of make it brainless to find where to put my cameras, so that basically I can just throw them on, and in about 30 seconds I can get them set up to exactly where I want them, hopefully, and get them just cut down the time it takes for me to sit there and get my camera set up. Especially if I start riding with other people, it takes so long to do that, and people don't want to wait around for that, and I can't blame them. So the other thing I did, I made a marker on my little Zoom H1N, because I think in the last video, while I did just a horrible job with the video, that audio was chef's kiss, huh? Yeah. So anyway, so I'm hoping that I can keep that locked in, at least for in the machine. I'll have to probably do another set for in helmet. So, but I'll do that when I get there. Thanks a lot for sticking around and watching, and to the locals who say they've been watching me. I've been picking up quite a few locals. So hey, hi, how's it going? So, and I'll see you out there. So take it easy, guys and gals.